Hi everyone, my name is Shane. I live in Drum Point, which is on the southern part of the Chesapeake Bay at the mouth of the Patuxent River. Welcome to my channel where I chronicle my sailing adventures.
Hey everyone, Shane here. It's Thursday evening and we're about to head up to go race, and I just want to go ahead and clean the boat, make sure it's nice and fast for the race.
Hey everyone, it's Friday, morning of the race. We're about to leave the dock, but we're all prepped and ready. We got all the food on the boat, all the sails with the battens in them. We're excited. Okay, Susan, so the race is about to start. What are your thoughts, impressions? Are you excited?
I'm very excited, but I don't want any thunderstorms, and I want to sleep. I know that's not going to happen.
What do you think is going to happen?
I think we're going to have a bad thunderstorm. Yeah.
Are we prepared for a bad thunderstorm?
We are. We have our wetsuits. I'm ready to die. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Hey Chris, so since I'm a first time every time on a sailboat, can you explain to me what VMG is?
So VMG stands for Velocity Made Good. Velocity Made Good, or VMG, is how fast you are making your way to a mark. So if the mark is directly upwind, you can't sail directly at the mark. So if you're 25 to 30 degrees off the mark, you might have boat speed of 6 knots, but you're only going to be making a VMG about 4.5 to 5 knots to the mark. So it's your
Okay, Ian, so we're having a little bit of an issue here with the radio. You want to explain real quick what is happening?
Well, apparently we're stuck on 68. I say we just tell every other boat to get on 68, and that should do it.
That's a good plan.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're 5 hours in now. Tensions are a bit high. We're on a tack that does not seem to be working out too much for us, but we know if we go on the other tack, we're just going to be losing lots of ground. So, kind of doing the best with the bad situation. Okay, so because the true wind has risen to 14, we decided to go ahead and reef the main. As you can see right here, we took out the first about 5 feet of the main to try and reduce the surface area available to the wind, to try and underpower us a little bit. Okay, everyone, so now that we've decided to quit the race, as you guys can see right up here, we got true wind speed of about 20 knots, which means it's really howling out there. But at least Neptune has granted us a nice sunset to use the night.